So let's dive into the shots I've got from the 22mm, which is like 35mm for my APC camera, and my 50 EF 50mm lens, and spot the difference. Also, I will have a quiz for you. Let's see if you can find with which lens I shoot each photo. Yeah, just write down in the comment section below if you were correct or not. So I'm gonna give you time, like 6 seconds for each photo. Cheers. So as you can see, I look bigger. I mean, I look closer to. Oh, yeah. So as you can see, oh my God, I look gorgeous. Distance is around 175 centimeters, the same distance as I had before with the 22mm lens EFM 22. These two, which is one is the 22, it's translated to 35, let's say, and the 50 is like 54. Just because I have the speed booster, my camera is APC, and yeah. What I want to say is for you to keep that in mind, that when you have two different prime lenses, the focal length matters. In the end of the day, you have your own style. I would say that for product photography, I really adored the 50mm. In the end of the day, when I cropped the close-up shots from the 22mm lens I had, to be honest, I had nearly the same results with a 50mm lens, and I just had to adjust the colors and highlights. Yeah. Compare the 50mm lens 1.8 f1.8. I got it. So on the next one you can see me on the 50mm. So on the next one you can see me on the EF 50mm f 1.8 STM, and Oopsie. Oops. Still waiting for the Lightroom. Yeah, what else I can say? Nothing. I will have something new soon. So soon I will have shots with this pretty little baby. That's the Minolta lens, 35 to 70 millimeter, 3.5. So want to subscribe, like, comment, do it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. If you're an Instagrammer, if you're not, you have to be.
No, spending dope for no reason. Got a bald head, Mr. Cleaner. Heard the big bags overseas, then we gon' go. Whoa, I pressed the button.